Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off vibrant visuals in Minecraft. So first things first, you need to log in to your Minecraft and start playing. Now in order for you to basically turn off vibrant visuals, all you need to do is locate the options or settings of your Minecraft. So in the options, you have to look for video setting and you have to look for a vibrant visual and just turn off the vibrant visual by choosing any graphic mode aside from vibrant visual. So for example, tap on video right here and then you have to locate for graphic mode, click this one. And as you can see, if you are currently using the vibrant visuals, all you need to do is to click this one. Then you will see options here. So basically, you have to look for or choose from any of the options such as simple, fancy, or anything here like the ray trace custom instead of the vibrant visuals. So select, for example, simple, graphic mode, simple. So from vibrant visual to simple. And that's how easy it is to turn off vibrant visuals in Minecraft. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.